Okay, so first of all, I have sent all the dealers from portal. I will first delete all the dealers to test the system. At the moment, I am sending dealers from distributor registration and retailers registration. Okay, I have deleted all the existing dealers from shopping website. Now I will manually run the cron job. I've created a cron with the name of sync TDR schedule cron. So this one is set upwards, like it will run every 6 hours in a day. So now I'm running it manually. Okay, after running the clone, we'll move to dealers page. Okay, now we have got all the dealers from the portal site, 56 dealers. If we open the edit dealer, we can see the dealer data which we have sent. Dealer ID, business name, dealer name, first name and last name, email, and phone number, state 1 address, state 2 address, city, state, zip, country. Like this, we have all the dealers data. ID, business name, dealer name, email, zip. Okay, so this same cron job will run every 6 hours in a day to sync and update all dealers. Okay, let me add this cron job again. Okay, so I have again run the cron job. Now let's see the dealers page. Okay, still we have 56 dealers and all the dealers are up to date according to portal site. Okay, now we will place an order. Sorry, this is the portal site. Dev. Also, one thing here, I have added map field price using ACF plugin. So client has to input the map value in the field which I've added above the pricing box here. So now map price is 600 and regular price means MSRP price is 666. I'm going to purchase these two products to test the system. I will increase the quantity 2 and 4. Okay, product is added to the cart. Now I will move to cart page. Proceed to checkout. This is the zip code I am using, 30344. Place order. Okay, order is placed, and the backend hook is firing on thank you page, WooCommerce thank you page. Now I will open mail logs to check the mail. First of all, we have got this order. 29 seconds ago, test 1196. Okay, so I have received, yeah. So this, yeah, 1196. This dealer got the mail. So, and this will be the link he is going to click on. From this page, the dealer can accept or decline the order and also view the details of the order. Like, if he accepts the order, this data is going to update from the backend. Right now it's showing processing. Now it will show in completed, like this. And the action button will disappear after performing the action. Now the dealer can only view the order details in future as well. I'm using this token to make this URL unique, so no one else can access this order or view these details. Okay, thank you.